Alright, you guys. So today we're going to talk about electric vehicles. See if we can get these guys to purchase some of these bad boys. So, some of the topics we're going to talk about today regarding electric vehicles is going to be economics, performance, some of the safety features, energy efficiency, environmental aspects, type of batteries they use, and what's currently available on the market. So first off, let's go with the economics of them. Gas vehicles take a lot of trips to the gas station, 3-4 times a month. With an electric vehicle, assuming you get a hybrid, you take less station trips. If you get a fully electric vehicle, you eliminate the gas completely, saving you a ton of money every month. Electricity compared to gas prices is a little more consistent, so you know what you're going to pay almost every single month. As you know, gas prices fluctuate from like $2 one month to $3 next. Electricity, completely different. Also, it's going to be cheaper in the long run to be owning an electric vehicle, and it would be a lot cheaper to maintain because there's not a lot of moving parts. You just got one battery, keep it charged, keep it good, and you're good to go. For people who can't afford or don't think they can afford these electric vehicles, there's a tax credit available from the government. It makes it a lot cheaper and affordable to own one. And if you have some solar panels on your house, you could use those solar panels to charge your vehicle. So you're saving money on your house electricity bill and on your vehicle bill. On the right here, we have a little bit of a chart telling you costs between gas and electric vehicles. Yeah, purchasing a gas vehicle might be cheaper at first, but if you look at the annual operating costs, electricity, maintenance, insurance is a whole lot cheaper on an electric vehicle. You'll be saving upwards of $1,000 or more every single year. So, saving money, customers love it, we love it, you love it, we all love saving money. Alright, so they're going to ask, well, how does it perform? Is it like a gas car? Is it something else? Is it like the future? Well, gas cars and electric vehicles are pretty much the same thing. There's no training required besides a driver's license. The benefits of an electric vehicle are it's a lot quieter, it is a lot smoother, and it has really fast acceleration, which a lot of us speed demons, we love stepping on the gas pedal. Also, there's fast charge times when you're plugging your machine in, so less time sitting around doing nothing, more time driving your vehicle around. That's what you like to do. Picture below is a picture of the white zombie electric car. It's a 1972 Dawson, goes from 0 to 60 in 1.8 seconds. One of the fastest electric cars out there right now. It's a pretty sweet ride. Safety wise, they're going to ask, well, is it safe? Of course it is. These vehicles are overall better on the IIHS safety rating compared to gas vehicles. They're a lot safer for a couple reasons. One of them is the battery. The battery is really heavy, which makes the vehicle stay more closer to the ground, which means you're less likely to go into a rollover. Also, no batteries have caught on fire so far, so they don't have to worry about, oh, what if I get hit and the battery explodes? Well, you don't have to worry about it. Especially because the area surrounding the battery usually stays intact. There's usually no damage to the actual battery, just the vehicle around it, which is basically every vehicle. Energy efficiency wise, electric vehicles are a lot more efficient than gas, for the reason that only 20% of the actual gas in the vehicles goes towards the power of the wheels. For an electric vehicle, about 50% of the electricity in the battery goes towards the wheels. So a lot more efficiency, you're getting a lot more buck for your power. Batteries are also made to last a long time. They can last anywhere from 10 to 15 years. I wouldn't be surprised if in the future they last up to 30 or more years. You can run more than 100 miles on a single charge, so they're super efficient. They're great for the city. You don't have to worry about running out of charge. Environmentally speaking, well, are they environmentally friendly? Of course they are. They're one of the most environmentally friendly vehicles out there. There's no tailpipe emissions, so there's no things like particles coming into the air, volatile organic compounds, hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, stuff going into the ozone, and various oxides of nitrogen. But yes, the factories that do produce electricity do emit some emissions, but if you compare them to gas vehicles, it is a whole lot less. So you are saving the planet by doing this. Battery wise, a lot of different manufacturers use a lot of different types of batteries, but generally speaking, they do use lithium ion batteries for the most part. It's because they can be recharged fairly quickly. With technology right now, they can be recharged, fully charged in as little as 10 minutes, which is pretty darn quick for a big battery. And on one charge, you can go up to 100 miles. But with newer vehicles coming out, there are vehicles that can go anywhere from 200 to up to 300 miles on a single charge, which is pretty impressive. Currently available for, I know a lot of customers like a lot of different vehicles, just like myself. There's Mitsubishi's making their own. There's Tesla, obviously. Chevrolet, Ford, Mercedes, and even Jaguar is making their own electric vehicles. So there's a lot to choose from. Even if you have a picky customer, you know they're going to find the right one. And to wrap this up, just remember the main thing is they're green. These are the best things for our market right now. There's a lot of air pollution going on. These will save our planet. I know a lot of people would really love to do that. So just keep green and keep the planet clean. We got this. We can do this. We can all own one. Here's a couple references, some sources that I used, and thank you for watching my video.